This video will cover validation of a new, portable, missions-minded vision testing device called Visionkeys. Visionkeys is a portable screen with a remote. It has the option for various different optotypes, and we chose to use HOTV, internationally available with matching card. We validated compared to an M&S system calibrated in a similar illuminance room. We also tested some of its other sensory opportunities, including distance stereopsis with anaglyph spectacles. This is the setup in the room with Visionkeys and its remote compared to an M&S system and its remote. And stereo was tested with Titmus and with PDI check on a Nintendo 3DS console. This is the Visionkeys screen showing its ability to do stereopsis testing. This is the M&S screen with a floor visual acuity of logmar 8. This is PDI check stereopsis, as well as Titmus using polarized spectacles, and monocular testing of visual acuity was assured with no peeking eye patches. The screens were similar, however, Visionkeys had a significantly brighter background. This is the setup for visual acuity testing. The subjects in this study were 145, with 20 being less than age 7 and a mean age of 12. There was a significant ethnic mix, and the reasons for visual acuity loss over a range were included.
Good. How about this one?
Starting at about 2100 there, 2010, and it goes all the way down to 20/8, which is usually the ceiling.
All right, can you read that letter?
2600 at 3 meters, or small, not logmar, and to 2015 and 2010.
In red, so you're just gonna put these on just like that. And then you're gonna look at that screen, and do any of them kind of look funny to you? Is there one that looks a little bit different than the others?
The seconds of arc presented finer and finer till you get to very fine.
Awesome job. And now which one?
The top and
Perfect. We're gonna get to look at this little book, okay? It's super cool. So you're gonna look at this book right here, and you see this number 1. You're gonna press the circle that looks a little bit different than the others. One that's kind of sticking out at you that looks like it needs to be pushed down. Can you press on that? Perfect. How about this number 2? Perfect. You're so smart. Good. All right, great job. I can take that. You did great.
The results show bland Altman plot for visual acuity comparing M&S and Visionkeys with a very high intra-class correlation. The inter-eye difference between comparing Visionkeys and M&S was also very highly correlated. The Visionkeys had a slightly finer median visual acuity of 0 logmar compared to 0.1 logmar in M&S. The younger patients, less than age 7, scored a little coarser on both M&S and Visionkeys. For stereopsis, Visionkeys was compared well with Titmus stereo on the top and also with PDI check. We check stereo and we're looking carefully to see which one of these looks like it's sticking up. Looks like that one. That would say my stereo is about 60 seconds of arc. This allows us to look at stereopsis, right and left, autostereoscopic visual acuity. In conclusion, Visionkeys appears to be very valid for distance visual acuity using HOTV optotypes and also for stereopsis